What's up, guys? Just got finished wrapping up over here at this property here. The light wasn't right, so I couldn't really get a good angle with this GoPro to record anything. I just wanted to point out a score that I just got. Sawtooth oak right here. I don't know if a lot of you guys know what that is. They want it gone. And then over here, it's a jungle. It's never been cut before, so don't mind the mess. Check out all this crepe myrtle. All that's got to come out. So you got a good little root ball down there. I'm gonna try to get it out and separate all this stuff out and try to replant it and get it started. And then there's a good bit over here. I got the boys helping me, trying to wind them down. They've been in school. It's Friday, November the 1st. They're helping me out, trying to wear them down. But yeah, all this stuff here has got to come out too. Bunch of now I'm lost for words. Crepe myrtles in here too. They got to come out. So just a question: if any of you guys ever like dig stuff up and then maybe try to plant it, get it started, and then resell it, you know? I don't think a lot of people do that. And by the way, this is crepe murder by all means. God, that's horrible. But anyway, that was done already. I didn't know if anybody ever did that before. I think it's a pretty decent idea. It wouldn't take too much time, maybe 10 minutes in the afternoons. Just throw some water on it, maybe a little bit in the mornings, just to get them going. And then, you know, crepe myrtle, maybe, I don't know, 15 bucks. That sawtooth oak, I've seen those go for about 50 at that size. It didn't cost me nothing. Getting paid twice. Why not? Just a short video, just get you guys' opinion. What do you think? Leave me in the comments down below. Sorry, this GoPro is still kicking my butt. But let me know in the comments if you guys ever do that or ever thought about that. I think it's a pretty good idea. Yeah, just let me know. Please like and subscribe for more mullet action. All right, guys, see you.